Hello, my loves. How is everyone doing today? I hope you guys are all doing amazing. So, I am going to be talking about one of the things that I love to create the most, and that is movie spreads. So, I have been doing movie spreads for about a year, maybe a little bit over a year. And it's been one of those things that I totally enjoy doing. I love putting spreads together that are associated with movies that I watched, and it just brings me so much joy to see the pages together. And so I want to show you guys a little bit of, I have some here marked that I want to show you how I put my movie spreads together. And I have here this book that I ordered in Amazon. It's called Extraordinary Things to Cut Out and Collage. Now, I didn't know this book was this big. I didn't think this book was this gigantic, but it is. It's one of those really amazing books that have collages, and you can literally use all the images in here to create wonderful spreads. And so that's the reason why I ordered it. And so I wanted to let me show you really quickly what this looks like in case you guys are interested. If you'd like to do junk journaling, or you like to do memory keeping, or you like to do, I don't know, planner, whatever it is that you like to do, this is really such a wonderful book. Especially if you do collaging, it's really great. So you have literally a little bit of everything in here. And it gives you like wonderful samples of things that you can collage with. So it's actually a really good book. You can literally like look for anything in here, and most likely it's going to be there. And I didn't actually, I don't know, it feels so wrong to use this book and start cutting these images out, because this book is so beautiful, but I'm not doing that anymore. I'm going to be using everything that I order. I'm trying to leave behind that mentality of like, I don't want to use anything because I don't want to ruin it. I'm trying to leave that mentality behind. So yeah, so this is a really beautiful book. It's actually gorgeous. You can even use this as artwork and like put it on a wall. There's so many beautiful images in here. You would not go wrong buying this book. Literally, you will not go wrong. So all right, so that's one reason why I ordered this book. Now I want to show you how I put my spreads together. Now, this is how I put my spreads together. Give you like an idea, I'll give you some inspiration if you're looking to do something like this. What I like to do is at the beginning of the book, what I did is I just made a list of all the movies that I watched. This is some movies that I watched last year. This book has a little bit of last year and this year because I had really a lot of pages still left to complete, and I didn't want to waste it. So I'm still working on finishing this book, and I'm using this beautiful journal to do my spreads in here. I'm gonna have to order another one of these because I definitely am not going to be able to put any movies that I watch in another 6 months in here. So I'm absolutely going to definitely order the same. I think I'm gonna order the same book so it could be, you know, cohesive. And so okay, so anyway, so yes, I put my list of movies. So I try to remember, and I go in and try to put the list of movies that I watch. I also like to do a these are the movies that I watched this year so far. It's a lot. And I like to do sort of like here, let me show you a little spread for January. I do this for every month so I can kind of know what month I'm leading into. This is January spread, and so it's really fun. It's really, really fun. It's so I love going through magazines, and I love going through my stickers, and I love going through my sticker books. And I love just going through all these things and collect things that are associated with the movie. And I love putting spreads together. Love, love, love doing it. So let me show you. This is one that I did on this movie that I watched, which I love. And I love the spread. It's so simple, but it's just so beautiful. So what I started to do, which I didn't do at the beginning, but I started to do is I started to use these little index cards, which are the ones that I got at the Dollar Tree. And what I'm starting to do is I'm going to put like a little summary of the movie from the actual movie. You know how the movie has like a little summary, it tells you what the movie's about? That's what I'm going to do here. And then on another separate little spot in the spread, I will document my thoughts about the movie and how I feel about the movie. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I started doing that with some of the spreads like this one, but I have to go back and do that because I wasn't sure how I wanted to do that, and I was kind of like experimenting with like different layouts, and that kind of worked for me, so I'm gonna stick with that. Okay, so this is one spread that I want to show you. This is another one that I want to show you that I did. This movie is called The Map That Leads to You. It's a really cute movie, and I thought this spread came out so pretty. This is the actual cover of the movie, and then these little things over here, I got them everywhere. This is a magazine clipping. This is some stickers that I ordered that I had a while ago, and then this is from another magazine. So it's just like little things that I collect from different places, and then I just try to put a spread together, and I just love it. I love that idea. This is another one that I did. This one is called The Summer I Turned Pretty. This is a series that was very, very popular. I got sucked into it, and boy, did I love this series. And so I did a really fun spread on the series, and I thought it was just beautiful, this spread. This is another one that oh my God, I love this spread. This spread was, I love this spread. It made my heart so happy when I found these images right here. This is called Falling. It's about falling angels, and I absolutely love this movie. But most of all, I love these images that I found in a comic book. And if you watch the movie, you would know that this images here are associated with the movie. So it's just, I love it. I love putting these spreads together. This is what my February looked like. So pretty, right? And then I watched this series called Penny Dreadful. Oh my God, I loved this series. Love the series. So I made a spread on the series, and everything in here is related to the series. And I actually made two. Okay, I made 2 pages here, and I made I used 4 pages for this series because I loved it so much. And I just love the way it turned out. I love this doll. If you watch the series, you would know that all these things are associated with the series, yeah? And so this is the other spread that I did about Penny Dreadful. I love it. I took this from Wikipedia. I printed it out, and I kind of glued it in here because it gives you like a little bit of summary of what the series is about. And then I did this spread, which I absolutely love. I love it. Okay, this is another one that I did that I thought was so cute. This is a movie called The Hating Game. This movie was so cute. I love this movie. And I did this spread using these strawberries. If you watch the movie, I mean, this is going to be a spoiler alert if you haven't watched the movie. She loves her strawberry pie, and he calls her shortcakes, and it's just adorable. It's an adorable movie. She collects Smurfs and he collects like little cards, like little vintage cards. I wanted to look for a vintage image, which I'm pretty sure if we go in here, we can find a vintage image of cars, which is one of the reasons why I'm so excited that I purchased this book, because now I can absolutely put things that are associated with movies. I'm super excited. I'm pretty sure this has cars in here. I don't want to say this doesn't. I am 100% sure somewhere in here there's cars, because there has to be, right? There has to be. See? I told you. I told you. So I'm going to cut one of these out, and I'm going to actually glue this here. And yeah, so this is another one that I really love. Did I have anything? I want to show you guys one more that I really love, that I created. It came out so nice. Let's see if I find it. This one made my heart. I love it. Dracula. I love this one. I love it. I love it, love it, love it, love it. Oh my God. I love this spread. Look at the blood. Look at the blood. I love it. And the stickers associated with the movie. I just love this spread. It turned out so freaking nice. I love it. So I wanted to show you guys this, because this is one of those things that I kind of do like on the side, and it just makes me so happy to put these things together. And I love how it turns out. And I thought maybe you guys would, would like to see my movie spreads and maybe get some inspiration, or maybe start your movie spread book. It doesn't have to be like this. It could be that simple. You can use like a notebook. You can use anything that you have, a journal, and you can start small, and maybe start, collecting stickers and cutouts for magazines, and then you can start putting your spreads together. I thought it was fun. I really just had no intentions of creating a journal about this, but my love for it was so strong that I just had to create one. And so, yeah. Okay, if you guys want like an in-depth video showing you my spreads on this book or on this journal, let me know at the bottom, and I will do my best to try to do a more detailed video for you guys showing you my spreads in here. I have intentions of creating a spread with you guys. I have a movie that I watched that I am really excited to create a spread. I was actually waiting for this to come in, and so we're going to do that together. We're going to definitely do that spread together. I think that's going to be a fun thing to do. You guys get to see how I put my spreads together, and you guys get ideas, and I think it'll be a great video to do. We'll do that in the future, and yeah. So let me know what you guys think about this movie journal idea, and if you're thinking about doing it. And hopefully this gives you some inspiration. All right, my loves? Okay, I love you all. I will see you on my next video. Make sure you guys subscribe, and make sure you guys thumbs up. And please be safe. Bye.